Good day traders, David Martin here, Forex Tutors. It is 4 minutes to 2 South African time, so it's about 12 o'clock, just 4 minutes to 12 GMT Friday afternoon, the 26th of July. The Euro, just to do a quick update on the Euro, you can see that here price took out the most recent high. Okay, if I go back down to the 1 hour chart, you can see that's our last AB swing that we've got in place there. Okay, we don't have any trade set up here at present. We are failing at this high here. Price could most likely fall from here on out. I would prefer a break of this low first before I start looking at short trade setups, unless of course we bounce at lower levels and come back up to test. But for now, nothing as yet. You can see on the 4 hour chart, you can see that for quite some time we've not had any trade setup. You can see price fell, rallied like crazy, and then pretty much went sideways, and that's where we're at now. Sterling, pretty much the same story. You can see price rallied off these lows here, although there is our next big AB swing over there. But notice how yesterday price took out that B high over there, giving us a new AB swing. And if you go down to the 1 hour chart as well, this is the AB swing that we are faced with there. Okay, unlike the Euro, we don't have anything bearish here. Okay, so we don't have any trade setups on there either. Aussie was the one I wanted to draw your attention to really. If I scrunch this up a little more here, you will see that price was trending down quite nicely. There was our last A and our last B. Okay, if I can I highlight this? No, I can't take it now. Okay, there was our last A high and our B low, and you can see we came right back to test that A high. When price does that, you can expect it to fall all the way down to lower levels, and you can see here that we were wanting to sell a bearish candlestick formation while inside 93.17. And you can see on the 4 hour chart, price is finding resistance. If I go down to the 1 hour chart, you'll see that there's our bearish candlestick formation there. In 2 minutes time, I'll most likely enter this trade to go short. Okay, for price to go down to lower levels, down around here. Okay, so that's what we're expecting over coming days. Okay, we will record as new trade setups occur, and then we'll post it after that. Okay, so those are the two setups that we are looking for. We are looking for on the Aussie, sorry, the one setup. We are looking for the Aussie to fall all the way down to around 90.41, around there. Okay, between 90.40 and 90.66, around there. Okay, that will be it for now. We'll do updates most likely not today again. We'll give it several hours, so we'll do updates probably Monday morning. Thanks, bye. Okay guys, just to show you, you can see we did go short at the opening of this candle. We got stops in above this high over here. We can expect price to test and then carry on lower down. Okay, we're looking for price to fall down to lower levels. Okay, we'll do another update most likely on Monday. Okay, since it's Friday afternoon, fairly late in the session, we'll do an update on Monday. Cheers, bye. Good afternoon traders, David here. It's Monday afternoon, 15:09 GMT. We entered a trade on Friday. If I go down to the 1 hour chart, you'll see that the 1 hour chart on Friday, we had an entry point over there to go short. Okay, we went short at that point. I lie guys, it was over there. We went short at that point over there, and we had our stops in place over there, and the trade was open, and we said we're looking for limits lower down. If I go down to the 4 hour chart, I said that we're looking for limits around this area over here. I can remove this here, around here. My thinking is that we'll probably head lower down, lower than that. I'm thinking we might even go down to around 90.20, around there. Okay, initially. If we do break these areas down here, then we will be looking at even lower prices. But for now, you can see that the trade is somewhere around 60 pips in the money. Okay, and we're going to leave our stops in place where they are. What we are going to be looking for, remember, if I go into the 1 hour, we are expecting price to wave up and then fall back down again. So if we do get an up wave, we will be looking for price to at least hit 92.52, and then if we get something bearish there and we fall down, then I'm looking to add to my short position that I've got. But for now, there's no reason to add yet. I thought I'll just do an update, being Monday afternoon, sorry, and I'll do one in several hours time again. Thanks, bye. Okay guys, we're back. It is the 30th of July, Tuesday morning at 10 minutes past 7 GMT. You can see on the Aussie chart here that we got limited out. You can see at 3:41 GMT we got limited out at 9:078. You can see we entered at 9,262. That's about 184 pips roughly that we made on that trade. That trade is closed. I did not move my limit lower down. If you remember, I said I'm of the opinion it's going to go around 9,024. Okay, I didn't think it would happen as quickly as it did overnight, but anyway, we are limited out. Can you guys see the relevance in patience, in waiting for a trade setup to occur? You can see that over all these many days there was no trade setup. There we got something clear and we entered that trade setup. Okay, that actually is our target for the month that has now already been exceeded. Okay, so that's that, guys. Visit forextutors.co.za. we do live webinars, and you guys can email me and we can see when the next live webinar is that you can slot into. Okay, thanks, bye.